In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Pinterest personal and business accounts. We'll walk through the exact process on desktop, step by step, so by the end you'll know how to set up multiple Pinterest accounts under one login, whether they're for personal use, for a brand, or for a client. Start by opening Pinterest and heading to your home feed. If you already have a business account, you might be taken to your Business Hub dashboard instead. Either place is fine because the buttons we need are in the same spot. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to your profile picture. Click on that arrow. This opens a menu that controls which account you're using and lets you add new ones without logging out every time. In that menu, click on the option that says Add Pinterest Account. This is where Pinterest lets you connect or create additional accounts under your current login, which is really helpful if you manage both personal and business profiles. When the Add Pinterest Account window opens, you'll see three main choices. You can connect an existing account, create a new personal account, or create a free business account. Take a moment to decide what you actually need. Personal accounts are great for saving ideas, planning, and inspiration. Business accounts unlock extra tools like analytics and ads, which are ideal if you're promoting a brand, products, or services. Once you've decided, click the Create button under either New Personal Account or Free Business Account, depending on what you want to set up right now. This will open a simple sign-up form. First, click into the email field and type in the email address you'd like to use for this new account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, since Pinterest may send confirmations or security alerts there. It's usually a good idea to keep business accounts on a professional email, separate from your personal one. Next, click into the password field and create a strong password. Avoid anything easy to guess. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and keep it unique to Pinterest for better security. Then, click into the birth date field and enter your birth date. This is required to confirm you meet Pinterest's age requirements and to help keep your account safe. If you prefer, instead of filling out these fields, you may see a button that lets you continue with your Google account. Clicking Continue As will link Pinterest to that Google login and skip typing in your email and password manually. Once your new account is created, you can repeat this process to add more personal or business accounts, as long as Pinterest allows it. Just go back to the drop-down arrow in the top right. Choose Add Pinterest Account again, and follow the same steps for each new profile you want to create.